Check thermostat wiring runs by isolating power and testing each conductor for continuity and proper connections without delay. Start by turning off the system power at the breaker and removing the thermostat cover to access the wires. Label each conductor at both the thermostat and the control board so you can track color and terminal assignments during testing. Use a digital multimeter set to continuity mode or low resistance to check each wire end to end, touching one probe to the thermostat conductor and the other to the matching terminal at the control board. A near 0 ohm reading or a steady beep indicates good continuity. If you suspect an intermittent fault, gently flex the wire along its length while watching the meter or listening for the tone to drop out, because that reveals breaks concealed in the run. When continuity fails, swap the suspect conductor with a known good spare wire if available, then retest to see if the control responds. This is often the fastest way to confirm a broken or shorted conductor. Finally, inspect the entire accessible length for signs of rodent chew, abrasion from staples or metal edges, or water damage, and repair with full-length replacements or new sheathing where necessary. The three most common issues are open conductors, shorts between conductors, and poor terminations at either end. For open conductors, replace the full run or pull in a spare conductor and retest to confirm restoration of function. For shorts, isolate pairs and use the meter to find continuity between conductors. Remove connectors and inspect junction boxes and terminal strips, replacing damaged insulation or rerouting away from sharp edges. For poor terminations, clean the contacts, restrip the conductor properly about 1/4 inch, and make tight screw or push connections, and verify with the meter that resistance is low and stable. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share troubleshooting tips and real project experiences. We help contractors find work by exposing their services to homeowners and enabling direct project conversations.